Hello everyone, Lily here. Today I am going to be teaching you how to add friends from contacts on Instagram. So if you don't know how to do it, then make sure to watch this video until the very end, because this is super easy to do. And I am going to show you a couple of ways to do it. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, let's open up the Instagram app, and then let's tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, when you area in your profile in the Discover People section, you can tap on See All. And then, as you can see, you have an option to connect contact. So go ahead and tap on Connect, and then tap on Allow Access. And then now, if you go back to your profile, you will see all the Instagram profiles that are associated with your contacts list. So that's one way to do it. And the second way to do it is to tap on these three lines at the top right of the screen and then tap on Settings. Then tap on Account, and then tap on Contact Syncing, and then you can toggle Connect Contacts on. The final way to do this is to tap on these three lines at the top right of the screen, and then tap on Settings. And then, when you are on the settings screen, tap on the first option, Follow and Invite Friends, and then tap on Follow Contacts, the first option, and then tap on Allow Access. And there we go, contacts connected. So once you have done that, you will see all of your contacts who are using Instagram, and then you can go ahead and follow them and connect with them. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions about the process, please leave them in the comments section below. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a